How to fix Fantasy Premier League FPL app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and rezone it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now go ahead and search for the app Fantasy Premier League. After app appears at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device, then search for the app FPL. After you find it, open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all these solution doesn't work for you, what you have to do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of Delete app. With that, you will get the pop-up. Click on Delete for the confirmation. The app will be deleted. Then you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Fantasy Premier League. After app appears, install it. By following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Fantasy Premier League app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.